Source: Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. Vancouver, British Columbia, March 1, 2018. Globe NEWSWIRE: Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. CSE, BLOC, FSE, BWSP, OTC, BLKCF, BLOC, or the company, is pleased to announce that it has closed the acquisition of Coinstream Mining Corp. Coinstream, previously announced on February 13, 2018, by way of a three-corner amalgamation. Under the terms of the definitive acquisition agreement, the agreement, BLOC acquired 100% of Coinstream and assumed all of its existing assets and underlying agreements at present, including the Manitoba joint venture facilities totaling 50 megawatts of capacity, with 35 megawatts of capacity available immediately. BLOC's subsidiary, Global Blockchain Technologies Corp., will supply cryptocurrency mining units on the basis of a 70/30 split in favor of BLOC, the wholly owned Mozambique facility totaling 25 megawatts of capacity, with 10 megawatts of capacity available immediately. The Mozambique facility will host BLOC machines and/or seek joint ventures for the rapid procurement of cryptocurrency miners. These facilities have an average power cost of USD 3 cents per kWh. A 25% interest in Distributed Mining Inc. Distributed Mining is a blockchain software company creating software that enables all devices to have the ability to participate in mining cryptocurrency. The software will be available to be downloaded through Distributed Mining, or through its partner sites. Connected devices will then be able to activate mining operations through their devices, including but not limited to mobile phones and gaming consoles. Distributed mining would allow anyone with a connected device to download and install a software packet, giving the user access to optimized cryptocurrency mining. The distributed mining platform will be able to optimize for variable mining requirements, and its design is particularly well suited for gaming consoles, of which there are over 100 million currently connected units. Gaming consoles contain stronger processing power than that found in typical desktop computers, making them the perfect environment to deploy the distributed mining platform, as individuals are able to put their resting consoles to work, earning them valuable cryptocurrency tokens. Both the Manitoba and Mozambique facilities are managed by personnel who are seasoned in the operation of cryptocurrencies, providing a turnkey and lean solution to BLOC. The company issued 32.5 million shares to the vendors of Coinstream to satisfy the terms of the agreement. No finder's fees were paid on this transaction. The company has also closed a private placement of 9,090,909 units, for gross proceeds of $5 million. Each unit consists of one common share issued at 55 cents per share, a share, and one common share purchase warrant, a warrant. Each warrant may be exercised by the holder to purchase an additional share at a price of 75 cents for 24 months from closing. The net proceeds of the private placement will be used towards investment in or incubation and creation of new blockchains in partnership with leading brands and industry participants whose principal areas of business truly merit and benefit from decentralization and the blockchain. In addition, the company will evaluate new projects and possible acquisitions of other target companies and general working capital. The units have a 4-month hold period expiring on July 2, 2018. No finder's fees were paid in connection with the unit issuances. For more information, please contact info@globalblockchain.io about Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. Global Blockchain Technologies Corp. provides investors access to a basket of direct and indirect holdings within the blockchain space, managed by a team of industry pioneers and early adopters of all major cryptocurrencies. BLOC is listed on the Canadian Securities Exchange (CSE), and its common shares trade under the ticker symbol BLOC. Additional information relating to BLOC is available on SEDAR at www.sedar.com, the CSE at www.thex.com, as well as on the company's website at www.globalblockchain.io. On behalf of Global Blockchain Technologies Corp., Shidhan Goran, President L. 1-647-258-6386. Cautionary note regarding forward-looking information. This news release contains forward-looking information within the meaning of applicable securities laws. Generally, any statements that are not historical facts may contain forward-looking information, and forward-looking information can be identified by the use of forward-looking terminology such as plans, expects, or does not expect, is expected, budget, scheduled, estimates. forecasts, intends, anticipates, or does not anticipate, or believes, or variations of such words and phrases, or indicates that certain actions, events or results may, could, would, might, or will be taken, occur, or be achieved. Forward-looking information includes, but is not limited to, the company's goal of streamlining the current arduous, lengthy and complicated process that interested investors need to undergo in order to gain exposure to the cryptocurrency space with a view to becoming the first vertically integrated originator and manager of top-tier blockchains and digital currencies. The company has no assets and its business plan is purely conceptual in nature, and there is no assurance that it will be implemented as set out herein, or at all. Forward-looking information is based on certain factors and assumptions the company believes to be reasonable at the time such statements are made, including but not limited to, statements and expectations regarding the ability of the company to a. Successfully engage senior management with appropriate industry experience and expertise, e. Gain access to and acquire a basket of cryptocurrency assets and pre-eco and eco financings on favorable terms, or at all, e. Successfully create its own tokens and ICOs, and iv. Execute on future M. or implied by such forward-looking information, including but not limited to, risks related to changes in cryptocurrency prices, the estimation of personnel and operating costs, general global markets and economic conditions, risks associated with uninsurable risks, risks associated with currency fluctuations, competition faced in securing experienced personnel with appropriate industry experience and expertise, risks associated with changes in the financial auditing and corporate governance standards applicable to cryptocurrencies and ICOs, risks related to potential conflicts of interest, the reliance on key personnel, financing, capitalization and liquidity risks, including the risk that the financing necessary to fund continued development of the company's business plan may not be available on satisfactory terms, or at all, the risk of potential dilution through the issuance of additional common shares of the company, the risk of litigation, although the company has attempted to identify important factors that could cause actual results to differ materially from the forward-looking information set out in this presentation. There may be other factors that cause results not to be as anticipated, estimated or intended. There can be no assurance that such forward-looking information will prove to be accurate, as actual results and future events could differ materially from those anticipated in such information. Accordingly, readers should not place undue reliance on forward-looking information. Forward-looking statements are made based on management's beliefs, estimates and opinions on the date that statements are made, and the company undertakes no obligation to update forward-looking statements if these beliefs, estimates and opinions or other circumstances should change, except as required by law. Investors are cautioned against attributing undue certainty to forward-looking statements. Neither the CSE nor its regulation services provider, as that term is defined in the policies of the CSE, accepts responsibility for the adequacy or accuracy of this release.